collectors, monkey paw picks, back with Mezco. This is our first Mezco review. We got the Comic-Con box with all the Comic-Con goodness. And if you can see a great Comic-Con Mezco, we have different Comic-Con people dressed up. If you get all that goodness.
That's a heavy duty box too.
That's right. It's a heavy duty box. So let's unbox it. Oh, look at that. Little Gomez on the inside of the box.
That's sweet.
Awesome. Giving me a big heart. It looks like. Let's see what we got.
Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap is the best. T-shirt. We got the pink skull T-shirt. If you can see it.
Can we open it?
Nah. I doubt they care about the T-shirt. If you want to see that awesome figure, let's see what we got in this. It does have 2 boxes. Jesus Christ. Alright. Looks like the Comic-Con attendee badge. Since you couldn't make it to Comic-Con, they made one with a lanyard, a badge. Pretty cool. Not bad for if you're gonna go.
That's one of the best things I love about going to Comic-Cons is collecting all the badges.
Yeah. The badge, I still have all mine.
Oh, they're in my, when I'm doing an Uber, they're all on my back seat.
So you get Uber driver with a bunch of Comic-Con badges that I got. Here's a Gomez.
Oh, look at that.
Gold head, Agent Gomez 5-point figure. So Mezco has 5 points, which means 5 points of articulation. The head, the 2 arms, and the legs. So it's like one of those old school figures.
The 3 3/4?
Yeah. Believe so, yes. Good job. I would have forgot that, so thank you to Ken of KS Productions to remind us 3 3/4. Amazing figure. I like that. I might put that on my shelf. And then, what everybody wants to see, the gold ninja. Let's open this. It looks like they packed it very well. Oh yeah, we got the little rogues inside the box.
That's a really nice box.
That's an awesome box. Good job, Mezco. Good job. I like that.
They do legit on their packaging. Like even their figures, they do really good.
If they were a rapper, they'd be MC Hammer. Too legit to quit. I'm a 80s kid. I'm sorry. So, here's the Queen of the Golden Dragon. This is a figure they released for Comic-Con. The gold yellow suit Gomez Ninja. For those who don't know, they did release a white and the black ninja, but only overseas, not in America. So let's see what we got. Oh, that's beautiful. This is beautiful. Comes with a bunch of accessories. The gold groomer. I think it features 28 points of articulation. I'm probably wrong. Oh my god.
What?
And we got more.
What?
They said we're dropping stuff. So let's see if we can get it out. Alright, there we go.
Wow.
We have accessories galore and a amazing sticker. How cool is that? It's the one on the box that they just hooked us up with. Oh my god. So here is some of the accessories with a grub in a ninja style outfit. Come on, that's amazing.
And you get the base too?
And you get a base with smoke. Come on, that's just so well packed. Other toy companies take no accessories. Awesome package, amazing. And here is the figure, all that can play with it. Show you all the articulation. Boom. Look at the design on the back. Wow.
They got the plastic underneath his head.
Man, that is an amazing figure. Has all the double joints, side twists, calf twists, rocker ankles, double joints in arms, elbows.
Look at that.
Jesus.
They do great with their clothes too.
Yeah, it's amazing. You get what you pay for. Look at that design on the back of it. The dragon. I feel like I'm watching Karate Kid all over again.
The Golden Dragon.
Amazing figure. This is probably one of the best figures I have opened on this year. Look at all this stuff. Oh my god. So, I don't want to take out each weapon, but we will show you what you get. That's just some of it.
That's real chain.
Yeah, the real thing. You get so many accessories. You get 7 different pairs of hands, a boombox, swords, ninja stars, a baby little grub that you can hang out with. It looks like he does have a couple of different heads. Come on.
And he does have a hood.
The hood does go up, and it does have holes for the antennas. Here's the other head it comes with. Oh, that looks amazing.
Oh yeah.
The gold for the gold outfit.
I think this is the best head.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I do like it. I do like it. I mean, Mezco, good job. Look at this. It's so worth it. You get what you pay for. And all this stuff. Just please like, subscribe, comment what you want to see below. I will put a link to donate for future reviews. I will try to get Ken to do it with me. He said what, so we'll do that. I'll also put a link for donate to Cerebral Palsy, CP. I do have CP. I would like you all to learn about it. Other than that, collectors, have a great day. See you next time.